Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about NPS Grade A and NPS Grade B, and specifically we are going to talk about the commerce and accountancy preparation within the limited time you have right now. So NPS Grade A and Grade B examination is going to happen around 25 to 30 days, within 25 to 30 days, right? And in this limited time, how you are going to approach this subject, we are going to talk about this thing in detail. But before moving ahead, I want to tell you that you would be able to watch a banner right in this particular video. Now, this NPS Grade A and Grade B banner that you are seeing right now is in context with a free course that we are providing you to prepare for this examination. So the link of this course, free course, is going to be given in the description box. You could check out the link and subscribe to the free course, right? So in this free course, whatever accessible materials we are going to provide you, you can learn many things from those free materials, right? Okay, let's move ahead. But before getting into the actual video, I want to tell you that if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to it, because the videos you are going to get with relation to the NPS Grade A and Grade B will be in this YouTube channel only, and the concerned PDF you are going to get in the Telegram channel, right? Okay, so let's start with the syllabus and study plan of commerce and accountancy and how you are going to cover it within 25 days, right? So see, first and most important chapter is about the basics of accounting, or you can call it introduction to accounting. This you are going to cover on day 1, right? So I have created this study plan for you so that you can easily cover the entire syllabus within 25 to 30 days. On the second day, you can understand the theory base of accounting. You can study this theory base of accounting. You are going to study like principles of accounting, right? Then on the third day, you can have the recording transaction part 1, and on the fourth day, recording transactions part 2. So basically, accounts is a language, is a business language, so you have to record the transaction in this language. So recording transaction is all about like general entry, ledger, accounts, right? And then after that, prepare how to prepare the trial balance, so what are subsidiary books. So all these things you are going to study in the recording transaction part 1 and part 2. Then we have got the trial balance and rectification of errors. Then you have the financial statement for the firms, income statement and balance sheet for the firms, like a partnership firm, proprietorship firm. Then on the 7th day, you are going to study the company accounts, preparation and presentation of company accounts part 1 and then part 2. This is a big chapter, huge chapter. Therefore, I have just included this chapter in 2 days, so that the half of the chapter you are going to prepare on the 7th day, and half of the chapters you are going to prepare on the 8th day, right? It is about the schedule 3, Companies Act 2013. We have got schedule 3 right now, जिसमें कि we have the format of profit loss account and the balance sheet. So this is what you are going to study under these two chapters, under this chapter. Then on the 9th day, you are going to revise all the chapters that you have covered till now. Then on the 10th day, you can try the ratio analysis. It is under the financial statement analysis. So you can study ratio analysis, cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Not all of these 3 chapters in single day, but again I have given 2 days for these chapters, that is financial statement analysis. I have given 2 days because it's a lengthy chapter. So you can have ratio analysis on 10th day, then cash flow statement and fund flow statement you can study on 11th day. On the 12th day, you have share capital, accounting for share capital, right? In the 12th class you must have studied this. And on the 13th day, you can study bonus shares, then ESOPs, that is employee stock option plan, on the 14th day. On the 15th day, you have the accounting for buyback and right issue. Then on 16th day, you are going to revise whatever you have covered till now. And from the 17th day, you are going to start your accounting standards, important and lengthy as well. Accounting standards, first chapter is easy, introduction to accounting standard. But now on the rest of the days, you are going to study the accounting standards for different aspects. Like on the 18th day, you will have the PPE, property, plant and equipment. Then on the 19th day, you can study accounting standard for inventories, then revenue recognition, then for investment, then for foreign exchange transactions. Now you have 23rd day, 24th day, 25th day to revise all of the topics that till now you have covered. So this is how you can prepare within 25 days by making this study plan and by sticking to it. Only making the plan is not going to help you, right? After making the plan, you should be sticking to it, and you should be doing the daily targets, right? Okay. Now this was about study plan. Now which sources to follow? Let's talk about that. And apart from that, I'm going to tell you also that which are the important chapters from the examination point of view after the sources, right? Okay. So first of all, you are going to cover the basic chapters, that is introduction to accounting, theory base of accounting, recording transaction 1 and 2. All this you can cover it from the NCERT class 11th part 1, right? And BRS, trial balance, depreciation, provision, reserves as well, and the financial statement part 1 and part 2, again class 11th part 2 NCERT. So most of the things will be covered from the NCERT class 11th and NCERT class 12th, right? And if you are finding NCERT is a little bit difficult to comprehend, then you can choose to go with DK Goel book as well, right? It is a detailed book and same syllabus is same, but it's a bit detailed than the NCERT, right? In the class 12th part 2, you would have accounting for share capital, redemption of debentures, financial statement of a company, and analysis of financial statement, accounting ratio, and cash flow statement, right? Now see, please understand that class 12th part 1 you don't need to study because it is about the partnership, and partnership is not in your syllabus as far as NPS, PFRD and the SEBI is concerned, right? So partnership is not in your syllabus, so you don't need to study that. Now rest of the topics you have to go to the ICI modules, again freely available. Just type ici.org, you will find the intermediate modules, ICI modules for the rest of the chapters like presentation and preparation of financial statement, and for the different accounting standards you will see the different chapters, right? And again for the ESOPs, right share, buyback, bonus shares, you will refer to the ICI modules, or you can refer to the ICI modules. And if you want to have a look at the SEBI regulations as well for these topics, you can very well do that from the SEBI website, right? So these are the sources you have to follow, you can follow basically to cover all the components that we have discussed. Now if you might ask me ki, sir please tell us the most important chapters in the syllabus we have for the commerce and accountancy, that I would tell you that most important chapter you have is ratio analysis, cash flow. So here it is, ratio analysis, cash flow statement. These are the two most important chapters, and we have seen many questions have been previously asked from these two chapters, right? So you have to basically prioritize your study, right? So therefore I'm telling you the important chapter. So this is the important chapter, let me mark it star. Then you have, okay, these two parts are same thing, right? So I'm making it star here. Then the basics are also important, like recording transactions, because it is going to make you understand about the journal entries and posting it to the ledgers and all, right? It is also important. Now company accounts is also very important because it is about schedule 3, Companies Act 2013. We have got schedule 3, right? And it is going to give you the format of PL account and the balance sheet, so this is important. Then after that you have this accounting standard. So accounting standard for PPE is also important, inventories is also important, and revenue recognition is also important, right? I'm not asking you to leave other topics, but I'm just giving you an idea about which are the most important topics. So you have got ratio analysis, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, or the other methods of financial statement analysis like comparative and your one or more analysis methods are there, right? So these are the important topics. Then you have got this company accounts, then you have this recording transactions, right? And the accounting standard for the PPE and for the inventories and for the revenue recognition. These are the most important chapters you have in the commerce and accountancy, right? So now we have covered the detailed plan as well and the sources you can follow to cover all these components. Okay, that's all for today's class. Now we are going to meet in the next lecture. But before that, I want to tell you one more thing. If you want to have the detailed course, I have talked about the this thing called starter pack, the free course we are giving you, right? But if you want to take the detailed course, then what you can do, you can go to the EduTap website, then click on the courses, scroll down, you will find NPS Grade A Grade B complete course. Go to the website. If you want to basically prepare this for this examination comprehensively, then you will find here different courses, right? Inside this you will find the courses, and you can just enroll the course from here as well, right? And you will find the video course overview as well, and you can subscribe to this course and avail the maximum discount. You have right now code of NPS 15. Just enter the coupon code, you will have the flat 15% off as well, right? So you can check out the courses in the official website, and if you want to have the course of phase 2 only, then also you can do that, then also you can subscribe to that as well, right? Okay, so this is about the course. If you want to take it, please go ahead and prepare with full dedication. Okay, so now we are going to meet in the next lecture. Tab tak ke liye tata, bye bye. Thank you everyone.